When you drive up to our house and you see the Hardie Textured Panel, you feel the exquisiteness of the outside. And for me, the outside leads up to what you can expect on the inside.
Hardie Textured Panel is like stucco without the bad parts of stucco. It's a texture you can see and feel.
As a designer, as a builder, I like the look of stucco, but I've had experience with the cracking. Hardie Textured Panels gives us the look of stucco. However, it still offers you all of the advantages of a fiber cement home. They give us endless possibility on what we can do.
Hardie Textured Panel sets the house apart from all the other houses. The lines are clean. It's just the most beautiful house.